Hello and welcome. In this video, we will embark on a journey to write your very first Python program. We'll start with the classic Hello World program. It is a rite of passage for every new programmer. Before we dive into writing code, let's ensure we have everything set up. First, you'll need Python installed on your computer. Second, you'll need a text editor or an integrated development environment or IDE. Third, a basic understanding of programming concepts is beneficial. Finally, familiarity with the command line or terminal will be helpful. You can download Python from the official website, which is python.org. Python is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It is recommended to install the latest version of Python 3.x. The installation package typically includes idle, which is a simple development environment that you can use to write and run your Python code. Let's write your first Python program. Open your text editor or IDE and type in the following code. The first line starts with a hash symbol, which indicates a comment. This is for explanation purpose. Python ignores the line starting with the hash symbol. The next line is also a comment indicating what the program does. The important line of code is print, followed by parentheses, and inside that, a text string of hello world. Enclosed in quotes. This line tells Python to display the text hello world on the screen. Now that you've written your first Python program, let's run it. First, save your code in a file with the .py extension. For example, you can name it hello.py. Next, open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved your file. Finally, type python hello.py and press the Enter key. The output should be Hello World, displayed on the next line. Let's break down the code and understand what each line does. Line 1 and 2 are comments. These lines are ignored by Python and are used to add explanations or notes to your code. Line 4 is the actual Python code that does something. The print function is a built-in function that displays text to the screen. The text we want to display, Hello World, is enclosed in quotes to signify that it is a string. Comments are ignored by Python and empty lines improve readability, and the print function uses parentheses. Python also has an interactive mode where you can test code directly without writing it in a file. To enter interactive mode, simply open a terminal or command prompt and type Python, then press Enter. You will see the Python version information and a prompt, which is usually 3 greater than signs. At the prompt, you can type Python code and press Enter to execute it immediately. For example, if you type print hello world in quotes, it will display hello world on the next line. Similarly, you can perform calculations like 2 plus 3, which will output 5. You can also concatenate strings like Python plus is fun, which will output Python is fun. Let's make the program more interactive by asking for the user's name. The first line is a comment. Next, we create a variable called name and use the input function to ask the user, "What is your name?" The input function reads text from the user. Then, we use the print function to display a personalized greeting. We concatenate the string hello, a space, the name entered by the user, and an exclamation mark. There is an alternative way, which is by using f-strings in Python 3.6 and above. You can just enclose the variable name in curly braces inside the string. Congratulations on writing your first Python program. Now that you've taken your first step, here are some next steps to continue your Python journey. Some basic concepts to learn are variables and data types, basic operators, conditional statements like if and else, loops like for and while, and functions. Here are some project ideas to try out. You can create a simple calculator, a number guessing game, a temperature converter, a basic to-do list, or a simple word counter. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.